Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the backup and account match. Check Google Drive or iCloud and confirm the same phone number is active. Once confirmed, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug the phone in to avoid interruptions. Make sure you disable Data Saver and that WhatsApp has storage permissions. Then force stop WhatsApp, reopen it, and follow the on-screen restore prompt. This initiates file extraction and prepares local files for media restoration. You'll see messages restore before media. Media arrives in a queued process that can pause when resources are low. Once paused, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, then reopen WhatsApp to force resume. This refreshes network sockets and restarts downloads. If the app remains stuck, clear only WhatsApp cache from system settings to free memory. Make sure not to delete backup files or app data. Those are required to continue the restore and avoid losing content. You finish by confirming media appears in chats and the WhatsApp/media folders. If thumbnails show but full files don't, tap the media to force download. If problems persist, reinstall WhatsApp as a last resort. Uninstall, reinstall, and restore from the same backup. This resets the restoration engine. If even that fails, collect basic details: backup date, size, error messages, and export chat backup logs so a specialist can examine them. This helps diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.